Now it's time to drift it. Look at my line. It didn't even feel like that. WiseFab is freaking insane. What's going on, YouTube? All right, so it's time to drift.
How can I convince you when I tell you I'm there? How can I convince you when I tell you I care? Just cause people do it, it don't mean that it's fair. I can prove to you that being like me is rare. I can prove to you that being like me is there. And anybody who
is ready. We ready to slide. I'm ready to slide. Hold on, I gotta pee real quick. Bathroom break.
A few moments later.
Damn, look at that angle though, bro. All right, so I'm gonna be coming in and I'm just gonna and it'll come right out. Simple. I hope this fender doesn't buckle even more. Let's see. All right, y'all, this is my first time like really sliding with this car. Not with this car, obviously. Yo, this car is freaking crazy. I freaking bet my fender some more. Ah, I broke it. It's broken. Like the car's grippy as heck. You can see my line. Like, look at my line. Look at my line. It didn't even feel like that. What the heck? You can see it right here. Bro, this car is crazy. WiseFab. Oh my gosh. WiseFab is freaking insane. Oh my gosh. Bro, let's go again. I know what you guys are wondering. What camera mount do I use? What camera do I use? Okay, I use the DJI Action 4. Honestly, if you want night footage, get the Action 5. But we have Ulanzi. I've had this mount for like probably almost 2 years. Yeah, it's gonna be 2 years this year. And this mount is like the best. Ulanzi. I'm gonna put it right here on the car. All you gotta do is push down, press this, and then you're gonna feel it like suck it in. It's gonna like stay in there. That's how you know it's tight. Doesn't go anywhere. Look at that. Booyah! The car's so predictable, bro. It doesn't even feel like I have an electronic rack. That's how crazy this WiseFab is. I'm rubbing like crazy, bro. Look. Yeah, this fender's cooked. I need wide fenders. I'm telling y'all, man, if y'all want to get the nice shots, bro, get this. I think solid. Look, the whole quarter panel is freaking flexing. I'm actually going to install a permanent 3M sticky mount in the back windshield. So hit that subscribe button, man. If you like this content, if you like this, man, if you always come across my videos and stuff, just subscribe, bro. Just subscribe and like it. Like whatever you like. If you like the video, just like it, you know? Like, I mean, I know sometimes it might slip your mind, but if you like it, man, just hit that like button. It ain't no shame, it's part of the game, bro. If you like it, you like it. That's it, bro. Forget what other people says. If you like it, you like it. Anyways, I digress. Whew.
got a couple racks on my body, nigga.
Put down in the comments what do you guys think about this video. Just let me know. Like, for be honest opinions. Like, it could be negative, it could be positive. Just tell me how you feel, man. You know, I'm a good person to talk to. Just talk to me. You know, I'll talk to you back in comments. It's okay. But yeah. Whew. I'm telling you, WiseFab is a little learning curve. I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna get better with it. But yo, this car's crazy. Like, once I get this fitment right with the fenders, reverse entries are gonna become. I'm gonna practice reverse entries. I'm gonna have to go to the track for that. You're gonna see some track videos. But yeah, man, no tire wear. That's why I like this spot. No tire wear. But I didn't really go too hard, you know. I was just freaking just babying it. Gotta get a feel for the WiseFab, because you can't just put a new part on a car that's gonna drastically change the, you know, suspension or like steering or whatever, and just go all out. Let me know what you guys want for the future videos. You know what y'all want. If y'all, you know, what y'all want to see. You know, I could do more road trips. You know, I could do hoodless road trips. And I got you with the car. I can do that. I can record it. You know. I'll drive to freaking Seattle. Yo guys, I'm excited for this YouTube channel, man. Thank you for 1,400 subscribers, man. I really appreciate you guys. I love y'all. Thank you. Team KR, let's go. I need to come up with a logo, man. Shit. WiseFab is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. It's really good. The car wants to freaking drift. It self-steers perfectly. It's wonderful, man. It's wonderful. Like, honestly, bro, this WiseFab is the truth. If you're gonna freaking buy an S550 and you're gonna put an angle kit, I suggest, you know, you run the make it modular rack spaces first. Run that for a little bit, maybe a year, and then once you feel like you really need to get angle, like postpone it. You know, when you feel like, man, I need some angle, postpone it like 2 months, and then postpone it another 2 months, and then another 2 months, and then you'd be like, all right, I'm gonna get an angle kit, and then get WiseFab. Just save up for WiseFab, like for real. Get the WiseFab angle kit. WiseFab is the truth. You know what's coming, right? Shoot. Backies.